Hello, I'm not a big fan of long intros, so let's just get straight into it. It's the weekend, so I'll be trading stocks instead of currency pairs. We'll be using the same strategy that we used before. If you're new here, here are the settings. We'll be using moving averages to trade today. The first one you'll be using is an EMA of 25, set the color to green, and set the thickness to 2. The next moving average will be set to EMA. Set the period to 50, and set the color to red with a thickness of 2. We will be using these two EMAs as support and resistance. Your time frame for your chart is 1 minute, and your trade time will also be 1 minute. Risk percentage is as always 1%. Remember to check your percentage after every trade, win or lose. Make sure you always use 1%. I know there's a bunch of videos on YouTube about people using their entire account amount on every trade, doubling it, and winning every single trade, and going from $10 to $10,000 in 15 minutes. But we're not doing that because it creates unrealistic expectations for new traders. We are building over time. Hotkeys are active for faster input. Do your best to place trades at the beginning of the candle or directly at price open for best results. With this first trade, you can see to the left, there's a lot of activity for Tesla OTC, and it's opened an opportunity for a quick pullback in price. And we have won the trade. I want to note this is a downtrend, and we are waiting for price to reach the 25 EMA before placing a trade. But because I was impatient, we will lose this trade. When this happens, do not panic, just double your amount and place it again. We are only placing one trade at a time and will wait till the trade ends. And we have won the trade. For this next trade of McDonald's OTC, price action has reached the 25 EMA and is currently an uptrend, so we will buy. Unfortunately, as you can see, price shot down at the last minute and resulted in a loss. Again, do not panic when this happens. We will double the amount and simply try again. If this happens 4 times in a row, stop and move on to the next pair. And we have won the trade. I placed another trade immediately after because I saw good potential for the upside. And we have won the trade. Johnson & Johnson has a price rejection, so I'll be entering a trade here. As this is a downtrend, I don't want to risk trading against the trend. Price once again is bouncing off the 25 EMA for double confirmation. And at the very last second, price action has moved against us and went negative, resulting in a loss. This will happen, expect a loss, and double your amount before the trade has ended. You have to be quick and get your trade in at price open. And we have won the trade. Now we are looking at Intel OTC for a buy position, due to it being an uptrend and prices reached the 25 EMA once again. And we have won the trade. We are finally moving on to our last trade of the session. It is important not to overtrade, as you risk taking losses you otherwise wouldn't. Reminder to check your risk amount at the end of every trade. Make sure it is 1%. Apple OTC has broken past the 50 EMA, as it has before. And since the green EMA is over the red EMA, it is an uptrend and we will place a buy. And we have won the trade. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and post a comment if this helped you. Check my Reddit page every day for daily trading results with this strategy. Good luck and happy trading.